Welcome students. Now we are going to take the theorem. Now what is theorem first? We should know what is theorem. Theorems are the statement which can be proven, which can be proved. That statement which can be proved is known as theorem. For example, the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This we can prove. And here we are going to prove the theorem. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. In the lower classes, you have heard that these are vertically opposite angles, these are vertically opposite angles. Now, today we are going to prove it that the vertically opposite angles are equal. That means what is given in this, whenever we are doing the proving a theorem, then we have to write given, to prove, and then the solution. Now, what is given in the question that the two lines AB and CD intersect each other at O. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that the vertically opposite angles are equal. This angle AOD and angle BOC, these are vertically opposite angles. We have to prove that these are equal. And also angle AOC and angle BOD, that is also equal. AOD is equals to BOC, that also we have to prove that these two are equal. Now let us prove it. Now ray, now I am talking about this ray OA. Ray OA stands on CD. So these two angles are linear pair. So their sum will be equals to 180 degrees. So AOC plus angle AOC, this angle, and this angle AOD is equals to 180 degree. We'll mark it as equation number 1, and this is due to linear pair. Now another ray that we are taking is OD. OD stands on AB. OD stands on AB. So therefore AOD plus angle BOD. These two angles again they are forming linear pair and their sum will be equals to 180 degree. AOD plus angle BOD is equals to 180 degree, that is again due to the linear pair. Now from first and second, if you see the equation first and second, both are having the left hand side which is equals to 180 degree. This is also 180 degree. So angle AOC plus angle AOD and angle AOD plus angle BOD both are equals to 180 degree. So angle AOC plus angle AOD will be equals to angle AOD plus angle BOD. So these two angles will cancel. So angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. So we have proved the first part, that is the angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. That means this AOC and BOD, these are vertically opposite angles and we have proved that they are equal. Now similarly we can prove that angle AOD is equals to angle BOC. If I take this two and these two, these will cancel, so the angle this and this angle will be equal. So angle AOD is equals to angle BOC. Now let us prove the theorem. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. In the lower class, in 7th and 8th class, you have seen that when we add the sum of all the angles of a triangle, it is equals to 180 degree. Now today we are going to prove it. Why it is equals to 180 degree. Now we have drawn a triangle here. What is given in the question? A triangle ABC. A triangle ABC, and I have marked angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. That is angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 equals to 180 degree. Now we have done one construction here. And what is the construction? We have drawn a line XY which is parallel to BC through A. So through A, draw XY parallel to BC. Now we will prove that the sum of these three angles is equals to 180 degree. Now XY is parallel to BC, that we have done in construction. Now if you see this angle 4 and angle 2, you will be able to know which kind of the angles they are, and similarly angle 5 and angle 3. If you see carefully, angle 4 and angle 2 are alternate interior angles. Similarly, angle 5 and angle 3 are also alternate interior angles. So we will mark it as number 1 and equation number 2. And the reason of these two is the alternate interior angles. And we know that when the lines are parallel, then the alternate interior angles are equal. So angle 4 is equals to angle 2 and angle 5 is equals to angle 3. Now we will see XAY. If you see XAY is a line, and we know that sum of all the angles in a line is how much? 180 degrees. So angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5. So in this line we have angle 4, 1 and 5, and their sum will be equals to 180 degree. Now angle 4, we have seen that in equation number 1, that is angle 4 is equals to angle 2. So angle 4 can be replaced by angle 2. Angle 1 will write as such, and angle 5 is equals to angle 3. So angle 5 can be replaced by angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. We will rearrange it and we'll write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degrees. So we have seen that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Now let us take the third theorem. If a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Now here you can see the side BC is produced to D. So this is the exterior angle so formed. The exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. So angle 1 and angle 2 are interior opposite angle to this exterior angle 4. So we have to prove that angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Now what is given? Side BC of a triangle ABC is produced to D. BC is produced to D. And what do you have to prove? We have to prove that angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Now you can see the angle 3 and angle 4. If you see angle 3 and angle 4 carefully, you will find that they are forming a linear pair. And we know that the sum of angles in a linear pair is how much? 180 degree. So I will mark it as 1, and the reason is linear pair. Now in triangle ABC, if you take the triangle ABC, the sum of angle 1, 2 and angle 3. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. This is due to, this is equation number 2, and this is because the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now we will compare the equation number 1 and equation number 2 from first and second. Now you can see the right hand side of both the equation is 180 and 180. So the right hand side is equal, so the left hand side will also be equal. So angle 3 plus angle 4 will be equals to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. This angle 3 and this angle 3 will cancel. So angle 4 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. This proves that the exterior angle is equals to sum of interior opposite angle.